Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Gmail not receiving emails issue. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. If your Gmail is not receiving any more emails all of a sudden, I'm going to walk you through some troubleshooting ideas to get that back on track. The first thing you want to do is check your storage. Your Gmail is connected to, your other Google devices like Google Docs, Google Drive. So if that storage is running out, you're not going to be able to receive or send any emails. So to check that, we're going to get out of Gmail and go to one.google.com. It's where all of your Google devices are, linked together where you can look at them all. Once here, we're going to do the three lines at the top right and then go down to storage. Now here's going to show you all your storage. Right now I am only using 46 or 48.72 gigabytes of the 100 gigabytes allowed. So I'm okay. You can look at it how it's distributed. I'm using mostly on my Drive and on my photos and only 7.63 on my Gmail. So you can look at that, and if that is, all the way at 100 or really close to 100, you can decide like, oh, let me go to my, Google Drive and start deleting items, or go to my photos and start deleting items, or my email. It doesn't really matter where you delete it from, but you need it to be underneath the 100 gigabytes or you're not going to be able to receive and send emails. Now, if you don't want to delete anything, you can have the option of buying more storage by just clicking on Get More Storage, and it'll bring you to this page where you can go through current plans. Like right now, I'm already buying 100 gigabytes for $20 a year, which is really good. Or you can do 200 gigabytes for $29 a year. Whatever you like, whatever works for you. So if that is not the issue though, we're going to get out of here and we're going to check some settings in your phone. And the first one, and the major one actually, is if you go to settings in your phone, scroll down to where it says your email, and then hit accounts, and then go to Gmail. And we want to make sure this is toggled on. It is connected to your email, and make sure that you're syncing together and everything is connected. So make sure that your email icon is toggled on. The last thing you want to do is go back into your settings, and we're just going to reset the email itself. So to do that, we're going to go down to General, go down to iPhone Storage, let that load. And once it does, we're going to find the Gmail app or the Mail app, which mine is under. All right, find the Mail app, and then we're going to offload the app. Offload. This just frees up the storage in the app itself. And then I'm going to reinstall. It's not freeing up storage in Google, but it's freeing up app storage and kind of resetting it. It's like if you deleted it and then re-downloaded it from Apple Store, or deleted your account and then re-added your account. It's basically that. It clears up any of the glitches in the system. So once that's done, you'll be able to get back on your Gmail and it should be working fine. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.